Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Let's try to go back to our vlogs because we haven't done any after the music video. But I just want to hop on and say thank you guys for those of you that have been following us, and also for those of you that watched our last video or the music. I'm very grateful and thankful to all the people that composed the songs that I've been able to share with all of you folks. So thank you. Very and I hope it's doing the same thing to all of you out there that are listening to my music. Today's Sunday. We're gonna go to church. I'm waiting for the boys to they're just getting ready, and then we're gonna go to church. As you can see, I don't have mommy's not on this side. Yeah, she's not with me. She's now a Chiefs fan. It's okay. It's okay. Not that I follow sport. I'm not hating on sports. It's just not my thing anymore. Alright. So, Elston is here. Elston?
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi to everyone? Want to say hi to everyone?
Oh, hi.
Now that's Elston. How old are you, Elston? Elston is now 11.
12.
Oh, okay, 12. All right, you're getting old. Elston is 12. You're in 7th grade, right?
Huh?
You're in 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember back in 7th grade, I was not like him. Very short. I'm kidding. Alright, Marlson is already at the church. That boy. Well, he goes early because he sets up the system. He gets everything all set up. And here comes Mars. Oh, just so you guys know, Mars is he's always humble. He's the oldest, but he never likes to sit up front. He always lets the little monkeys sit up front, especially Marlson. Okay, so I'm gonna show you your face, Elston. Wait. Okay, that's Elston. Say hi, Elston. Wait, can you get in the frame so I can track your face? One more time. Okay. So say hi.
Hi.
You gotta say at least something. It's been a while. We haven't vlogged for decades. We haven't vlogged for years. Huh? You wanna say something?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
You always say that. Anything else?
Huh? No.
Anything else? Okay. Let's give it to Mars.
Happy Sunday.
Anything else that you want to say?
No.
Huh? Or because you're shy? Huh? Okay. Alright, we're grateful for this day. We're gonna go to church. We'll see you guys later. We'll probably let the YouTuber take over. Marlson, you know how he is. He likes to take over the video. These guys are really shy. They're always shy, even though it's been years of us being on YouTube, and they're still shy. And there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Ooh, I smell that. Who used my new... Alright. Servet. Everybody left without turning the lights off. Lights. Okay. Oh. Nandip. Cantik. Cantik. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
And then we've got
Hi.
how are you?
Okay.
Wait, Lily coming.
Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah. Where's Mars? Hi. Hola. Kamu ganito yung sir. Mereka positif. Hello.
What do you get?
Huh? What was it? There you go. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. You don't need to cover your face.
I'm not very photogenic.
You show the rabbit barbar?
Asyik warna ke boy. Pas sawalkan.
Oh. Alip.
Sinus infection.
Oh, vi på mi bakterius pari better. All right. Back to reality. Back to reality. Yeah. Hey, where's our thing? Huh? Go ahead.
Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone.
T. What? Oh, thank you. Happy Sunday to everyone. Yes. Thank you. Ito po, taga pa Sarah. All right. Asher fan. I'm gonna put my camera away. I mean, not camera away. Put my stuff away. This is right there. And I'm gonna. Okay. We're gonna go talk to Nanitong. Nanitong! Hi, Nanitong! What do you want to say? Huh? You gotta at least say something.
Hi.
What? Are you shy? Huh? Are you shy?
Kind of.
Why? Yeah, I know you're not shy because I've seen your videos. You're always like dancing and. All right. Well, thank you. Okay, we're gonna ask a few more questions to some. Say hello. Hi, Janice. Oh yeah, you got a vlog. Okay.
Alright, YouTube.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday to everyone watching. We just finished church. Now we're all gonna head home.
Aren't you gonna take over?
Take over how?
You gotta take over.
Say hi to everything.
Okay. Napasap ka po? Apa? Kamu?
Happy Sunday.
Oi.
Ito pa suru super mirafe.
Virafe.
Essa pui mirafe ya. Mirafe que era
Oh. Iya teh, yer kayak bisa teh ya.
Carpar X. Ai sim.
Rawat ter. Kau itu.
So happy Sunday Abi.
Okay. If I era talk business. Apa sap ka po? Ifa. Say hi to daddy. Auntie Sonson. Come on. Come on, man. What the? Why? What happened? Huh? Hi, Chuukese. Say hi. Say hi, Chuukese. Ya, kamu ngiri.
Happy Sunday. My mom. Love and miss you.
Oh. Oh.
What's that?
I'm vlogging. Huh? Hi, Jermaine. Hi, Jermaine. Jermaine. Wait. Jermaine. Hi, Chuukese. Say hi. Can I ask you a few questions? Okay. First of all, happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Okay. Can you tell everyone your name and where you're from?
My name is Sissy. I'm from Seattle.
No way. Where do you work?
Nike.
Nike. Ooh. Hey, don't forget my shoes. Maar je wilt zeker een keer zeggen? Huh?
Ai, friend americano.
Oh. Mày mày, thì biết chắc cái năm mò? Hả?
No, not right now.
Cái charap Macy's? Hả?
Later, April.
Oh. Sắp kapag. Kapag. Study.
Discussion got shut down. What do you like?
Okay. We're gonna show mommy on the vlog. Mommy on the vlog. You're on the vlog. Can you know everybody? Yeah? Oh, you guys are making a lot of noise. Betul apa? Efet? Efet? Ibari ya?
Lor.
Lor?
Apa nak buat?
Ifai lor?
Dar pe je quest la pasioras.
Ifai lor?
Ei lor.
Arria pa reward
Era mo.
Warneer vlog. Ja? Gefet, kijk. Mira. Okay.
Por essa filha. Okay. Ik is slash als je het niet voor je.
Heb ik kerike? Heb ik kerike? Mira, pues, I'm a pat. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay. Oh. Huh? Oh, no. You just took back out though. I said, buddy, at the butt. Okay, Alright. Asar fan. Oh. It feels like it's cold today. Okay, I'm expecting a call from Kansas Chiefs.
Our power went out because they're looking to do it.
Anyway, Asar fan. Just getting ready to go home.
It's only in the living room and Shannon's room. I don't know if the rest is down there.
Nune, when are we going camping? What? I'm tired of waiting. You know, we didn't go camping last year, so we need to make it happen this year. Who's in the back?
Theo.
Oh, what? Oh, hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Okay. What's your name? Are you from Losop? Huh?
Hawaii.
You're from Hawaii? Who's your mom and dad?
My mom's at work. My dad's over there.
Who's your dad? Oh, your dad's Paris? What? Wow. That's good. That's good. Do you know who Molina is?
Who?
Molina.
I don't think you. Have you been to Molina in Hawaii?
You don't know?
I'm Louisa's sister.
Oh,
Probably not.
no.
If you're watching this, I had some more.
Okay. Yeah, she watches our video too. Okay. Austin? What? Oh, we gotta. I'll say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Huh? Okay. Say hi to Chiefs fans, cause I right after work we're gonna go. Wait, apa sa po epo kirai kakaton? Video.
I miss you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wait up. So, it's open. Yeah. What you gonna say to your family in Kansas?
Oh, congratulations on the win for the Super Bowl. That's
Okay.
it.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, wait. Chiefs fans.
Happy Sunday.
Pata pa rin na background. Huh?
Oh, maybe. Gracias, Florimas.
Oh, okay. Huh? Hi, perfect. Hello. Oh, you guys are on vlog. I'm gonna put you guys down. Where are you going? Hi. Okay. Oh, apa sab kabak? Wait. Hindi ba segera? Oh. Apa sab kabak? Pirang pura pace tayo rakaton. Okay. Mira. Siapa tu? Okay. Oh, Yerin. Oh, Tia. Oh. Oh, siapa tu? Okay. Tidak. Oh. Betul sure. Sure mamat tidak kafe fin ngor Chinese. Wah, vetuara Chinese. Kari Fauri Chuukese. Okay. Vielä se pari pärkeviä nyt se video idava pakka tori kava patsite. Oh. Okay. Bye. Vielä. Okay, Chiefs fans, get ready to watch your video. Go out post today. Okay, I put it up, but I got surf fed. Mars, let's go. Anyway, it's a short vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll maybe continue on later on, or I don't know. Maybe this is the end of the video. We'll see. All right. Talk to you guys later. Very cold in this beautiful day. On this beautiful day, very cold. We're gonna go home and see what we can get from home. Weimars. Okay, you want to vlog or? You want to vlog? No? Are you shy?
Yeah.
Why are you shy? Right, back to some commercial breaks. I'm gonna invite everyone who are new to our channel. First thing, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do so. If you have not seen our, commercial break. Yes.
I'm gonna go to Atlanta. I have to go buy something for Uncle Will.
Okay. All right. I'll see you home. Anyway, back to what I was saying. First thing is, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Invite your friends and family to go ahead and do the same thing. Also, like, we have our playlist on our channel. If you have not seen our other videos, please go ahead and do so. We do a lot of things. Vlogs, just church function activity, wedding, and then of course our music. So help us out. We are on our road to 10,000K subscribers. So please help us in making sure that we achieve that goal within the next few weeks. Hopefully it happens before the end of the week. I mean, not the end of the week, but at the end of the month, or maybe close to summer, because we got big plans coming up in summertime. We're not going to tell you guys yet, but hopefully it'll happen. Pray to God that we'll make it happen. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and we'll talk later. All right, folks, guys, it's not going to be a lot of things going on in this video. We just wanted to vlog for today. What's coming up in the next few months? Oh, Easter. So we'll be going to Oregon to celebrate our Easter, and hopefully things will go as planned. And then on a special note, guys, hope everyone is doing great, or hope everyone is fine. Maybe this is once again the perfect time to just let everyone know, extend our appreciation to all of your support. For those of you that have been with us from the beginning, thank you guys for your just continuing support, and just continue to help us out, spread the words and spread the love, and just let your family and friends know about our channel. It's kind of nice to also, like, if you guys have anything to say, nothing bad, but if you want to say something in the comments, do that. That way it'll let us know that you guys are enjoying our videos, or you guys are watching. It's kind of nice to just kind of interact with you guys. All right, my partner here, baby Elston, is very shy. He doesn't want to be in the video. He's like, I'm shy, daddy. Just show me when I'm on my video. playing video game. Right, Elston?
What?
What? Do you want to say something? Huh? No? Do you miss mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We all miss mommy. Mommy, please come back. Because we know that you've been going to all-you-can-eat buffet every day. While we just eat sandwich, peanut butter jelly, what do you B&J? Huh? PB&J? PB&J. So you go and enjoy yourselves at the restaurant. You go and enjoy yourself at the restaurant while we, on the other hand, here don't have anything to eat. No, we do have something, and we're grateful for it. But it's just, of course, obviously, it's not the same when you're not here with us, because you are now a Chiefs fan. A little prediction for next year. Like I said, I don't follow sport, but I think Chiefs are not gonna make it. That's enough for you folks to win Super Bowl. Yep. Nothing planned for today. Just go home, eat, and chillax. Eat and chillax. Oh, don't ever run a red light. Yep, I didn't run it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, Elston?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and then share. Alright, share our videos. If you guys are from Chuuk, or if you're watching this back home in Chuuk, there's nothing wrong with clicking on that like button and subscribe. Hopefully there's weddings going on this year, so we can go and take part on those celebrations. I personally like to film weddings. It's not just good for, it's not just something I like. It's good for, something to help out with whoever's getting married. So, yes. Mira, enough talking. We'll talk later. Hopefully we still have something to show on our video. Alright, peace out.